hope you enjoyed this and to stick around and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos to come. I wanted to share with you guys our weekly grocery haul from Walmart and Whole Foods, and show you guys what we eat at the end of this video. So if you guys want to see how I make a Mexican ceviche, please stick around. So keep on watching and see you guys to the end. Bye. See you later. Adios. Se lo miren un ratito. Adios. Oh, and I just wanted to say that I actually didn't record the grocery haul because my son wasn't feeling well, so I was taking care of him, but my husband was kind enough to do the little mini recording, so you'll probably end up hearing his voice. If not, I'll end up voicing over his if he forgot to mention some stuff. But yeah, so
hey guys, buenas noches. I'm taking over for my wife. The baby's sick, so she's being a trooper and putting him to sleep. So, you know, boob, Motrin, that kind of night. So this is her haul from Walmart. Just gonna go over a couple of things here. Black Forest ham. I do some sandwiches to go to work. Here we got some dry roasted, lightly salted almonds. Cheese. We're thinking of doing some chili. So all this stuff right here. Tomato sauce for the chili. More tomato sauce. We got some onion over here, lemons, spinach, always a must for me and the wife. The kiddo still hasn't found a love for it. Lactose-free whole milk, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, avocados, a little bit green there. We got some pears here. Obviously some watermelons, bananas right there. Greek yogurt. Baby loves that. Carrots. Some mixed veggies. Kind of easy to make already since it's already cooked. Just gotta throw them in the pan with a little bit of water, I think. Sweet peas. I don't even know what it is. Pumpkin. Pepita. Okay, whatever that is. Cilantro. Bread again. Again, he's a little bit sick, so we did buy some wipes of Motrin. Motrin is gonna be over here. Might as well just include it. And we got some wipes there, lentils, eggs, and my guilty pleasure. We got some M&Ms and butter pecan. I'm gonna make kind of dairy DQ blizzard there. So yeah, that's our haul for tonight.
Alright guys, and at Whole Foods I ended up getting these frozen shrimps because they were on special. They had an Amazon Prime deal, buy one get one free, so I ended up getting that. And then this is just some tilapia. I think, yeah, this is just some tilapia, and it was like 3 pieces for $12.40, and I ended up using 2 for the ceviche. And these other 2, they were a set of wings that they had also an Amazon Prime deal for, like, I think we ended up getting $4 and change back on those 2 purchases. And then this is just a cream cheese that I saw vegan. I really like their vegan cheese, so I decided to try that. I think it was only like $5. And then my husband wanted some butter, so I ended up getting that, which was a local butter. And then I ended up finding some red onion, which I prefer over white onion for this recipe. And some of the ingredients that you're gonna need for this is onion, celery, cilantro, serrano pepper, Roma tomatoes or any type of tomato, key limes or any type of lemons that you like, an avocado, some salt and pepper. You will also need apple cider vinegar, and that's pretty much up to your liking. I think I ended up using 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and it would help it cook up the tilapia since it's raw. And here you just want to defrost your shrimp. and just by adding some cold water, and you just let it sit for about 5 minutes and it will get defrosted. So then meanwhile that defrosts, you want to cut up your tilapia into chunks that you prefer. I like medium chunks, and then just add the apple cider vinegar so that it can cook up the tilapia. Meanwhile, you chop up the rest of your ingredients. And then I like for it to be cooked with the onion because the onion has a lot of good flavor, and I just cut it in tiny little pieces because I personally do not like onion, but the red onion I can tolerate. And then just add the key lime juice. Once your shrimp is ready and defrosted, you want to cut it into pieces. I ended up pretty much cutting it into 3 pieces each shrimp, and then just mix it up with your tilapia. And here I'm just adding the cilantro and then the chopped serrano peppers, the tomatoes, which ended up being a cup of tomatoes, some celery, and then last but not least, the best thing of all to make it extra good is the diced mango. And then just to add some more flavor to it, you want to add salt and pepper to your liking. You can totally skip on the pepper, but I like the extra kick of the pepper to it. And this is what you end up with. And I actually ended up adding the avocado at the very end, but I forgot to get it here on the clip. And you just let it sit for as long as you want. The longer you let it sit in the fridge, the more it will get the flavors. And then I also ended up adding about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and that's just for my preference. I like for it to have that reddish color, and then to get that sweetness flavor from the ketchup. And yeah, I hope this was easy for you guys to follow, and let me know in the comments down below if you end up trying this ceviche and or how you make it different.
Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Espero que les guste este video. Y ahora, let's get to the tasting. He wants it, pero trae chile, so you can't have it. 1, 2, 3.
Is it good?
It is really good.
The camera guy gets one too? Okay.
I was gonna add the tomato sauce, but I was gonna add the tomato sauce that came with the shrimp, but that cocktail sauce, but no, this is like really good. I'm so glad I made this. Well, thank you guys so much for being here with me, and see you guys later. Bye.